Okay, welcome back. The summit is finished, so it's still full challenge 23 from Codingame. In the last episode, I have upgraded the light and the ugly fish avoidance, and now we are. I am 54, so really close to the boss. So the light really helped, and now I think we have the next leap to do to be really near the boss, and to do some games against it, and potentially go over. So let's look some of the games we lose. Here I'm the pink one. Okay, okay. Okay, why is my boat not lightning? Get this one. I don't know. Okay, I go up. Okay, what I see is the other one have all the fishes and denied me some fish, and he win. So what does he do? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I think I go up really too soon, and while I go up, I don't try to chase. Okay, okay, okay. Here I have these two, and here I'm still lightning, and maybe to get this one. Okay, let's see. I don't see something really bad. Here I'm orange, so I scan two. Where is my boat going? Why is he doing a diagonal? Where are you going? Ah, I have to debug this one, because going in this direction makes me lose a lot of time instead of going straight down. Okay, ID0 is looking for 8. 8 is here. Okay, it's not. He's not looking for the best. He's looking for the first fish he find. 8 is here, so he will go this way and prevent him to go to this one. So he choose, I think, 15. No, he choose 9. Okay, so my two boats are going crossway. Okay, I have to check. I have to target a fish 2. Okay, but the closest one to me, and closest one from here for this one are these two, and closest one for this one are these two, maybe this one, but this one should not go here. So I have to check that. So let's go. When I chase a fish, so I chase, what do? I go all over the blips, which is not really good. Still looping over the blips, but it's okay. Here I check if I already scan the fish, in which case I continue. And here I get the rectangle, the center, and I don't use the center, I only use the score. It's the type of the fish. So I will have to add something for the score, and this something is the distance from my drone to the center, potential center again. Dist to the center. It's my drone pros, and the closer the better. So but I still want to privilege this one, so I have to, and I will this at max is something like 14,000-15,000. So I will do a really bad bonus. Small, not bad, small. It's negative because the closest the better. And now with doing that, my drone should chase the closest potential fish to him. So let's go back. It was 8 and 9, which my drones make my drone cross, and now it's 14. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, my drones don't know it's here exactly, but it's in some rectangle in this way, so it's good. And this one is looking for 8, and 8 seems okay too. I still don't win, but it should be better. So let's go. So I scan here. I don't understand why I have such a zigzagging trajectory. It's really weird. And here I scan my 14. Why is it targeting 8 now? Drone 0 is targeting 8. So he thinks the closest one is this one. I'm really not sure why. 8 is between here and I should output the center. I will do that in a debug triangulation. Center equals rectangle dot center. These two potential. Oh, I already output it. Oh yes. So 8 with my drone 0, which is here, is almost 5k, and this one 14. Oh, that's the same length. And this one 9k and 14. Okay, it's the same length for every one of my drones. I think I missed something. I missed a very important information. It's that here I do triangulation based on the initial position of the fishes and on the position of my drones. When I go next turn, I do exactly the same, but I already got some triangulation here. And I think I don't reuse the triangulation one turn to the other, so I go back from the default rectangles. I have to check that. Let's go here, triangulation. In read I init, and that's yes. Here I reset the triangulation based on the type of the fish, but I don't take into account that I knew from previous turn that that the fish can be in a small rectangle, for example. So I have to get the information from the previous turn to triangulate a better position for the fish. So here I init I I don't do it here. I will init in my read init, this one, but this one is static. And this one is not. Let's say it will be static. So when I start, I put all the triangulation in the correct zone. I have to do it later because I don't know the type, zone type, the F type, fish type here. I do after. So here I initialize the triangulation. Next, in each turn, I won't do anything. And when I read back the fish, if the fish is visible, I will override the triangulation with the correct position. And then with the blip, I will triangulate with the previous triangulation. The problem now is that fishes can move. And so when I have a triangulation in one turn, on the next turn, the fish may have move. And so I will have each time I read, I will have to, in my init, I will have to expand the rectangle with the distance the fish could have traveled. So if I have a rectangle, let's say 100, the fish can go left, right, up, down of the rectangle with his current max speed. And so I have to do that. So I will say for each fish that can go from 4 to 16. No, not 16. 16 plus the ugly fishes. And for each triangulation, for each fish, the triangulation will expand of the fish speed. I think the fish have two speeds. Fish move 200. Okay. And 400 if they are afraid, and if they are afraid, it's because there is a drone. Okay, first approximation, I will do the max. QHR RID is F. I don't have expand. So what is expand? This.x minus color range, but if it's minus 0, it doesn't work. So I have to mat.max 0, this.x minus range. Okay, this.width. Oh, it will be complicated. Okay, I have to change something. X0 equal x, x1 x plus width, minus range plus range, and x equal dot max 0 x0, and this dot x, this dot width equal mat dot min x1 minus x. Okay. Typically the case when you have to do a unit test, but I won't take the time now. So let's recapitulate. X0 x0 go minus range, x1 is x plus width plus range. The new x is the max between 0 and x0, and the width is the mean, because we can be higher than 10,000, and it's x1 dot minus x, because x is our new starting point. Okay, I have to do the same thing for y. Don't forget that. Y0 and 8, y1, y. Okay, so that's the expansion. Next, when I have expand, I have to intersect with the type, with the zone of the fish, because I can expand in out of the fish habitat. And I think it's okay. Update triangulation of every fishes. Okay, this should give us better positioning of the fish. I'm not sure it will be enough to beat the boss, but let's see what's the result. Maybe we will win this time. Okay, we still don't win. Okay, the goal was my drone, instead of going this way, should still target 14. Okay, he is. Okay, he found it. And now we'll go up. Okay, so my two drones are going back up. Okay. I have a small adjustment to make here. My drone is going up to 391, but 500 is enough. So maybe it's a small thing, but I may win one turn in going just enough to be in 500 and go back. I will win a little bit of 8. So my two drones got points, a lot of points, 32. The opponent push fish outside, but it's still okay. And then he has all the fish. Okay. Anyone. So I go up too soon, I think. I will have to work on that. Let's try it. Let's see if we go further than 54. In the meantime, what can we do? I'm still not sure of the. Here I have this one. I will put a to do here. To do 250. Here, oh, my triangulation are now static. It's not a problem. Yeah, I have something I can change to it. Okay, when I go up, I will do what I just said. Force go up. Here I will say, okay, my target is the same X position, but it's not 0, it's 500. Here okay, I still say it's 0. Here I will get the speed to get to 0, but if I will write it with a comment. If we go higher than 500, limit to 500. Okay, so post next is a new post. Drone.x plus speed.vx and drone.post.y plus speed.vy. Okay, that's my next position. If next.y, I'm not sure I need this. I just will say speed.vy equals mat.max. No, too difficult to code like this. Okay, speed.vy equals drone.post.y minus I'm really not sure of that. Let's say my drone is at post 600. I go up 600, so I arrive in 0. 0 is inferior to 500. It's okay, and so I should move my current post, which is 600, minus 500, which is 100, and 600 minus 100 is 500. If I'm 1000, let's say 1000, my speed is minus 600. So I will arrive at 400, which is less than 500, and so my speed will be equals. Okay, that's just one problem. It should be negative to go up. So I'm at 1000. I remove, so I need to go up 500, and to go up 500 I have to do that. Let's see. Be easy to check. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm going back, and here I'm at. So now next step I should be at 500, and I'm at 500. Perfect. I release the fish, so it's okay. 500, it's okay, and I go back. Okay, and I won. I think not too much, but it may be the little difference to win a game. So I'm 31, which is very good. I'm still 47%. Very good. I will start to look at the boss. Me versus the boss. And check. Okay, I beat the boss, so it's not interesting. and I beat the boss, so it's not interesting. Or maybe it is. maybe that we are okay. The boss won. Maybe we are better than the boss on average, but we have to see when we lose, why we lose. So here we scan the two fishes, we go down and oops, we saw it, so we can avoid it. The boss is avoiding them too. Here we scan our type 2 fish, and there is two monsters here, 16 and 18. Okay, we saw them, so we should be able to avoid them. Here it's becoming very, very important to avoid them. Okay, we succeed. It's okay. Okay, here it's a why are we lightning here? Interesting. I don't know why I light. My battery is 0, which is ooh, 4. Ooh, that's maybe it will be enough to beat the boss. We are 24.656. We have 1.2 behind the boss, but we beat him. There's another another person that is largely beating the boss, but we're coming. The problem is if we make some match against him, he is so strong. He may beat us, but it seems okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, we lose against him. I don't know if it's a lot. We got 1 victory. 1. So let's say we are almost beating the boss. Maybe it's enough to reach the gold league. Oh, we're so close. When this one will be in the gold league, it will be even easier to reach this one, because I think we are too far and we're losing more than winning against him. So when he will not be here, that's a lot of loss that we won't have. Okay, we are second. Almost at the boss. What was I doing? Oh yes, I was doing that and it was okay. And here I was wondering why I'm lighting is here. So let's finish. Maybe it's enough. That's lots of victories. I think it's okay. So close. 0.09 from the boss. And still 16% matches to do. Oh, it's done. We are above the boss, but now we need to be above the boss at the end of the matches, our matches. So we have to wait until it's 100%. We have a comfortable margin, but it can go fast with the matches. Yeah, the loss against the boss is the worst one, because he will get some point and we will lose a lot. Let's wait until the end. So it's so close. Okay, that's good. Win against the boss. So he will go back. We will go up. Now we don't need to lose. We don't have to lose against the other. 3 losses in 1 war. Okay, that's good. Winning against the first one is good. I think it will be very, very close. Okay, that's good too. Okay. And now we will have the stabilization. We will see. Oh, I think we are up. I love this notification. And we are gold. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gold. So it's still a basic code. I think I have a bug in my lightning, but it's enough. So I will wait for the notification, and I will stop the video and call it done for reaching gold. And I reach level 8. Nice. And how can I click? And okay, so now we will do another batch of games in the Gold League. So we will have another series of matches. I think I will not be on the top of the Gold League with my code, but we reached gold, which is a nice achievement in so short time. And for now, I will let it here. So you have I don't publish the code, but you will be able to you have been able to see everything I coded. I don't think there is a very clever code in what I have done. There's a lot more to reach legend or to reach top gold. You have to take the triangulation one step further. Which is use the symmetry between the fish. When the game starts, all the fish are symmetrical. So when this bot see this fish in this rectangle, this one can limit this rectangle for this fish to the same rectangle with symmetry. That's one step further. You have to when you see a fish and see its speed, you can deduce what will be its next position. Really, you should you have to take into account everything you can to localize the fishes, good or bad, to the best you can. And so everything is good. In my main boat, what I didn't take into account is that the fish cannot be too far from the borders. I didn't saw this, and so you can even more limit the position of the fish. I think they can't be too high or too low in their own habitat, so they always are in the middle, which is limit even more the position. And that's good for the positioning. Of course, reuse the previous triangulation to get the new one, and simulate what, depending on the drone position and the fish position, what will be the next position of all the fishes. And with that, you can be in the top gold. Then you have to think about a good strategy. My strategy in my main boat was to go down as soon as possible and get at least one fish 2. And when going up, check if I can go towards a fish without losing my position with respect to the other one. It means that if I'm here and let's say here, if I'm here and the other boat are here and here, all I have to do is maintain the fact that I will reach the top first if I reach the top first and have one turn in advance or 10 turns, it doesn't change the score. So here I may choose to go towards, let's say, this one. That's not very good, but let's say this bot, this drone should try to go to this one, because if he move toward that position, he will not finish after the two drones, and so he can target this one to have another fish in the inventory when going up. So you can take some step left or right, losing, not going up as soon as possible, but gaining some fish in the route to the up. This is correct, unless another drone can or will reach before you. If it's closer to the surface than you, it doesn't matter. If it's behind you, the drone should still be behind you when you reach top. But sometimes you can, like here, I think I can take 2 steps to the right to go to this fish and scan it before going up, instead of going up as soon as possible and missing this one. A lot of time when going up you will encounter it, but sometimes it's good to go toward it. So that's all. We are not my code is not very good in gold, but it's in gold, and so I stop here. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to have notification about new challenge I will do. I will make video about, and of course thumb up if you like the video. Thank you. See you on another challenge very soon. Bye bye.